In this video, we will explore the creation and management of indexes in databases. This will be a hands-on guide, where we will cover single-field and compound indexes, explaining their purpose and demonstrating how to use them effectively. Database indexes are data structures that enhance the speed of data retrieval operations on a database table. This comes at the cost of additional storage space and maintenance overhead. Essentially, indexes help the database locate specific data more quickly, rather than scanning the entire table. To understand database indexes better, consider a book index. A book index allows you to quickly find topics without having to read every page. Similarly, a database index allows you to quickly find records without scanning every row in the database. A single-field index is an index based on only one field within a collection. This is the most common and straightforward type of index. To create a single-field index in MongoDB, you can use the command shown on the right. The syntax is db.collection.createIndex, and then within parentheses, specify the field name followed by a 1 for ascending order or a -1 for descending order. Here's an example of how to create and use a single field index. First, to create an index on the email field in the user's collection, use the command db.users.createIndex, specifying that the index should be in ascending order. Once the index is created, you can perform fast queries on the email field using the find command. For instance, to find a user with the email john@example.com, use the command db.users.find, then specify the email address. A compound index is an index based on multiple fields combined. When using compound indexes, the order of the fields matters significantly, as the index is structured based on this order. To create a compound index in MongoDB, you specify multiple fields in the createIndex command. Here's the basic syntax: db.collection.createIndex, within parentheses, specify field 1, field 2, and field 3, each with its respective sorting order, either 1 for ascending or -1 for descending. Here is an example of creating and using a compound index. To create a compound index on the products collection, including the fields category, price, and rating, use the command db.products.createIndex, specifying the order for each field. Once the index is created, you can perform optimized queries using these fields. For example, to find products in the electronics category with a price less than 500, use the command db.products.find, and then specify the category as electronics and the price with the less than operator as 500. To manage indexes effectively, MongoDB provides several commands. To list all indexes on a collection, use the command db.collection.getIndexes. This will show you all the indexes currently active on the specified collection. To remove an index, use the command db.collection.dropIndex, specifying the index to be dropped. For example, to drop the index on field name, you would specify the field name with its sort order. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.